Hello, so you've gotten this far, you've purchased this activity, and now you have this link that it says to copy. When you click the link, it takes you to a copy of the document. At this point, you can make a copy and it will go into your Google Drive. Or you can simply come up here to the link and copy that link and put it wherever you're going to get your students to go to. Or you may be emailing them the link. You can put it in an email. You can, if you have a Blogspot, I have a Blogspot, so I have it here in my Blogspot. If you have Google Classroom, the one thing that you're probably going to want to do is go ahead and make a copy of it first. So anyway, that's a quick way of getting it and relaying to your students. But Google Classroom, I believe you need to go ahead and make a copy yourself before you give the students the link. My school is very picky, and it has to be in my Google Drive in order for me to give it to the students in their school Google Drive. Your students do need to have either a school Google Drive or a personal Google Drive. I don't mess with Google Classroom, so all my students have a personal Google Drive. But once you have opened it up, notice how it says copy. You can change the name of it. You can click through and go change any of these problems that you want to change, or you can add a page. Here's how you would add a sheet. Once it's in your Google Drive, now your link looks different. So this back part is the key where it says edit. If I click this link and copy it, now I want to go put it wherever I'm going to put it. But I always test it out here first. So I'm going to paste it in, but from edit on, I've got to put in the word copy. The reason for that is you want the students to have their own copy. If you give them that other copy, then everybody's going to be working on the exact same document, and it will be crazy. You want everybody to have their own. So once it's like that, now look, it says copy of TSI. So this is the one that was in my Google Drive that I've changed or done something with. I hope that helps. It's a little bit tricky at the beginning, but once you get used to it, I think you'll be fine. Thank you.